Hi, I'm Amber and I'm singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. hmm I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms with them falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, never knew. All the things you say, they were never true, never true. In the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. But I, with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. Cause there's a side to you that I never knew, never knew. All the things you say, they were never true, never true. In the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flame. Well, it felt something die 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up all the time. That heart you called must be waiting for ya. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.